Hello everyone. We are Thursday, 16 November. We had very heavy rain yesterday, all night. Today it's sunny. So today I decide to travel and I will show you municipality, not so small, 55,000 people live there. This municipality, no one here helmet, and I was shocked first time when I saw that, because in Legazpi, in Lake Daraga, if you have no helmet, faster someone will stop you and will ask to wear helmet. It's happened me last week. I was in Daraga market, I go to church, it's only 200 meters, so I decide to not wear helmet, only 200 meters. And it was enforcer security, he stopped me. He said, you wear helmet? I said 200 meters, you wear, and I wear. So this town is Donsol, very popular for shark, Sorsogon province, 60 kilometers from Legazpi. Now I'm on highway to Pilar after Sorsogon. And something, always wear your helmet. It's not because I will show you town where no one wear helmet, I say no wear helmet. Always wear your helmet. Me, I always wear. It's better to have full like this, I show you. To have full. Because many people, they have no full. And here, you cannot protect. So that's why I always wear full. So let's going there today. It's sunny today. Little cloudy but sunny. I read internet will be no rain today. I hope. So always wear your helmet. So let's going there. So we are 200 meters from police station. It's the route. It's the center. It's the route to the beach. I will show you. Most of people don't have helmet here. You can see at the back. Look, no one. So I don't know why here no one. And you know, when I come here and I have helmet, all people look me. Look, no one have helmet. It's all don't sound like that. Here I'm in center. I show you the most busy street to going to center. Yeah, it's not more municipality, 55,000 people. Look, there is police. Do you think police will say, hey, you have no helmet? No. If they stop, I will ask. I will ask them, why no one? Look, they drive near police and police say nothing. You see? You know, I'm shocked to see that, because in Europe, police will stop you, or people or police, they will stop you. So I ask traffic enforcer. He's not comfortable, I don't recall him. I ask him, can you give ticket to someone? He say yes. And I say, here no one with helmet, it's allowed or not? He don't want to answer. He don't want to answer. I say, I'm sorry. He understand me, because I translate Google in Tagalog. He understand perfectly. But I say to him, I'm vlogger, I record. But I tell him, I don't record you, and I don't record him. So, you know, for government Philippines, you must do here. But here, local accept, I mean police, traffic enforcer. So I don't know what I will do. Now it's 5 p.m, will be night. So let's go a little explore the town. Nice to meet you. My name is Ferdi. Belgian.
My name
Belgium. Europe. Brussels.
I see the name.
Huh?
I see my name to Korea. So
Yeah.
the people in Korea.
Yeah, traveling.
My name is
Pedro
Kayabian
Kayabev.
Jr.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And thank you very much for your time for me.
Do you want some beer, something I want to buy to you? No?
I'm my name is
You married? You married? Yes? Your wife still alive?
oh yeah, my wife.
No, your wife still alive?
Yes.
Yeah.
That,
She's with friend.
yellow player.
With friend. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I explore, okay, sir? Thank you. I explore. Thank you, sir. I just walk, and I saw a few times with hand. He want to speak to me. So I stop and I ask if I can record him. He say okay. So nice to meet him, Pedro. I ask him if I can record. He say okay. So you will be my YouTube. So if you come to Don Sol, say hello to Pedro. I want to buy something to him, but he don't want beer or delicacy. He don't want. Very friendly. So let's continue explore, but it will be night now. So that's all for today. I leave you with this beautiful view, Don Sol, on highway. So let's go back Legazpi, and don't forget to wear your helmet. Okay? Bye.